Dear talented photographers, have you ever wondered if you can share the captivating photos that you contribute to stock photography agencies on your favorite social media platforms? It's a question that many of us have asked. Well, you are in the right place because today we are diving deep into this intriguing topic. So let's find out, can you upload your stunning photos into social media? Let's get started. As microstock photographers, we have the privilege of capturing awe-inspiring moments and contributing them to the stock photography agencies. But what about sharing these photos with the world beyond the stock agencies? Can we let our creativity shine on social media too? The answer is a resounding yes. You can absolutely have the green light to share your stock photos on your social media profiles. It's a fantastic way to showcase your talent, engage with your audience, and let your creativity soar. However, it's important to remember that each stock agency may have specific guidelines regarding the use of their images on social media. Well, if you are the contributor and if you have got proper permission from the model or the property owner in that photo, you can absolutely share it in social media. Even you can use it for commercial purposes. Since you are the owner of that photo, there will be no copyright issue, especially if you are submitting in a non-exclusive royalty-free agency like Shutterstock, iStock, Adobe Stock, etc. If you are an exclusive contributor, then the contract that you are signing is vital. Some exclusive agencies have got some clauses in which you cannot share those images to any other competing platform. So please be sure to read and understand all the contracts before signing up in any stock photography agency. This will ensure that you are in compliance and fully understand any restrictions or requirement. Don't forget about your personal website. It's another fantastic platform where you can proudly showcase your photos alongside your own curated portfolio. This allows you to create a cohesive online presence and attract potential clients and opportunities. So dear photographers, you now have the answer to a burning question. Yes, indeed, you can upload your stock photos to social media. Remember to respect the guidelines of the stock agencies you contribute to and give proper attribution. So go forth, share your incredible work and let your photography radiate on both stock platforms and the social media. Thank you for joining us on this exciting journey of exploring whether you can upload your photos to stock photos to social media. The answer being a resounding yes. Now it's time to unleash your creativity, connect with your audience and spread inspiration through your stunning stock photos. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content like this. Happy sharing, photographers.